I have my base on, I like to go in with my cream blush before I set my powder because I feel like it gives a more natural look. This is just the NARS Orgasm one. And I just take my little eyelash packet where I put the glue. This stuff is actually so intense. You literally need the tiniest bit. So I will literally do like one, I don't know, it's not a drop. I just kind of put it on like this. And I take a brush and I just kind of go like this. This thing always gets dirty every time I do my makeup. And then I like to kind of sweep it across and get it on my nose because I want to go for that like sunburnt blush look, you know? It kind of looks like Asian glow, but I'm into it. There, so it's really easy to go overboard with this, so I would highly recommend just starting off with a little bit and then kind of building up, because once you go too much, it's really hard to like fix it. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my cream highlighter, just putting the cream products on before I like set it so that it looks more natural. And I'm using the MAC cream color base in Hush. It's just a really natural color. I also like to use it like on my eyelid before I put like a shimmery like gold or bronzy shadow on. It's a really pretty color. Looks like this. And it just makes your eyeshadow look like more wet and a lot more intense. So I just like to go for a really like natural glow look, and cream products always will just give you a more natural look. So now I'm gonna go in with powder. I just use the Laura Mercier one, and I like to powder only where I'm gonna bronze and contour just so it doesn't look muddy and patchy and dirty. But I don't powder like my whole face because like I said, it's just gonna give you that more natural look. My brush broke, so I just literally use like the end bit of it. I'll literally just do that like right here where my cheekbone is, and then like where my temple is, where I'll bronze, and then a little bit up top. I'm gonna contour my nose, and I'll do my nose as well. Then I'll do down here and like my double chin, because I'm definitely gonna be contouring that, you know. And I will just say, I used to have the Kevyn Aucoin contour powder, which is the best contour powder in the world. But when my mom was visiting, she stole it. So today we're gonna go in with Hoola bronzer. And I just kind of go into my temple like this. I like to do a little bit right here, just at the very top of my head. A teeny bit on my cheek. Just stop your contour and bronzer before your eyebrow, like where your eyebrow ends. It's gonna give you a more natural look than if you just kind of go like all the way down to your mouth. That's when people start to get like the crazy contour look. See how I look crazy because I went like too far? And this side looks better. And we'll do a little bit of the nose too. I just kind of pinch my brush and go for it. And then I'm also going to use the Rodin Too Cool Art Class contour. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Kevyn Aucoin one, the middle shade. So we'll just take a little bit of that, or a lot. Gotta be careful. Don't want to mess up like I did last time. I'm gonna use that to kind of intensify the contour, and I'll use it for my double chin. Guys, I literally gained like 9 pounds over the Christmas break, and so I'm trying to lose it, but it's been really hard. So in the meantime, contour is my friend. I also just want to say that the Burt's Bees blush in Bare Peach is literally one of the best blushes I've ever used, like high-end or drugstore. It's the most beautiful like natural glow. But my mom also stole that when she was in town, so we're gonna go in with this. This is the 3CE blush in Rodeo Drive, and I like to just take the yellow side. Oh, also this blush is bomb. This is the Morphe E4 blush. Best blush brush I've ever used. I don't know why I can't talk today. But anyways, I like to take this and go over the blush that we already put on before. It makes it more of a peach color, and then it makes your blush last a really long time when you put like a powder on top of a cream. Okay, so normally I would just call it good and just be done, but today for the video I thought we'd do something new and try something new. So I'm gonna do a little bit of like a lip liner. We'll just put on some lip balm first. It's the Rimmel lip liner in Spice 011 Spice. It's just a really gorgeous coral color, and I don't know why I ever like stopped using it, but And fun little tip, if you use lip liner as like just lipstick, it's gonna last way longer than if you were to use it like a lipstick. Okay, so this is the completed look. I hope you liked today's video. I know it's been a while since we've done a makeup video on this channel. I'm just not that good at makeup, and I think we all know that. But I do love it. I think it's really fun. So let me know if you want to see more makeup videos on this channel. Make sure you like the video if you want to see more. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Let me know what you want to see next, and I will see you next time. Bye! Bye!